Hello, Facebook. Hi, everybody. Jamie here. Happy Monday. Hope everybody had an awesome weekend. We were super busy here at Aroma Time. Happy Martin Luther King Day. Thank you to Martin Luther King for all of the things that he's given us and taught us in this world. And let's see, it is Monday, and we are on to a new $9.99 special. So we have two specials tonight. One that we do every week, and one that's $9.99 that we do all week long. So our $9.99 special this week is our tuna, so our rare sesame crusted tuna. What an awesome offer. We haven't done this offer before. I think it's gonna be huge. We already have calls coming in, lots of calls. So $9.99 for our tuna entree to go. It is a $9.99 special to go, so call your order in. It comes with some sesame carrots on the side. It doesn't come with any vegetables or rice. I highly recommend our brown rice pilaf with it. But so this week, except for Tuesday and Wednesday, because we're closed on Tuesdays and Wednesdays, we have our $9.99 special, which is our tuna entree special. So that is our special for the week. I highly recommend the brown rice pilaf with it and a side of vegetables, maybe our sauteed broccoli, which I think is awesome as well. So that is our $9.99 special. Call 647-3000, place your order. That is available all week until Sunday. We are closed Tuesday and Wednesday. And we also do a buy one, get one free wings tonight. We do that on every Monday night. So buy one, get one free wings. Our grocery store is hopping. Marcus talked about some really cool new products that we're getting in. I know that we have a new apple and pear sauce that are coming in that is local. We're getting a new jar of Hudson Harvest, their pizza sauce. So there's a lot of cool things out there that we're getting in. The more you buy, the more things we're gonna bring in, so that's pretty cool. Thank you everybody for watching me, I appreciate it. If you are watching me live, if you could put hashtag live. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. Hello Tom, hello Matthew, hello Lisa, hello Dawn, hello Susan, hello everybody. Thank you very much. You know, these have become so popular that I get more and more people, and a lot of the same people on. And if you're new to this, I've been doing these since March. So I do a cocktail time of the day. Today I'm going to be using this awesome Caledonia Spirits Barr Gin, Barr Hill Gin. It's handcrafted in Vermont, made with juniper and raw honey. So that is really cool. I'm excited about that. I gotta tell you, this by itself is really good also, just on the rocks. Marcus and I tasted it last night. Again, really good. So I kind of planned my Facebook Live a little bit. I have not tasted this drink, so this will be my first time tasting the drink. I thought I would make something cool. I like to make cool things while I'm on. So let's see. Trying to think what else I have to tell you, but I think we're good. All right, so I am going to take a shaker. And because I'm using honey today, I'm using a drop of honey. I'm not gonna put ice in my shaker right away, because honey is one of those things, just like agave, that doesn't mix very well if it is put into something cold. So most of you probably know that. So I'm gonna add probably about a teaspoon of honey to my drink. Let me just, all right. And about 2 ounces of gin. All right. And I am going to use, so I'm gonna mix that up because the honey will mix in that because that's room temperature. So I'm gonna just mix that up a little bit. Thanks everybody for watching me. I really appreciate it. I see a few more people, Tatiana and Danny. So thanks everybody. This has Amaro in it. This is Amaro from Nardini, which is northern Italy, in Bassano. We love their place. We love what they do there. We love it. We were there. Can't open it though. I might have to use another Amaro. I can't get it open for some reason, not sure why. So I'm going to use Lucano, which is southern Italy. So I like both Amaros. You can use either Amaro, see, so you have to be flexible. I'm going to add about a half an ounce of Amaro. I am going to add a little bit of lemon juice, so about a half an ounce. I'm going to add a splash of Luxardo cherry. All right, and I'm going to mix that all up. And I'm going to shake it as well. Ooh. Kind of want to taste it. Kind of looks like it tastes good. Let's see. Oh, it's interesting. That's really nice. I'm going to put ice in my shaker. If I had ice, I would put ice in my shaker. So I'm going to put ice in my glass. I'll be right there, everybody. I'm getting some ice. Sorry about that. I thought there was ice in the bin, and there wasn't today. And I'm going to pour this delicious drink on top of my ice. Oh, it's kind of cool-ish. And mix that up. You can put a lemon on it. Hello, Lori. Thank you guys for joining me. I really appreciate that. For those of you that are new and hadn't heard this, our $9.99 special this week is our tuna. So it's a rare sesame crusted albacore tuna served chilled. So we actually put sesame seeds on the outside. We pan sear it very, very lightly. And it is still raw inside. Then we slice it real thin. Comes with a peanut and a sriracha mayo sauce and a side of carrots. So, ooh, that's really nice. Something a little different that I made today. Barr gin is infused with juniper and honey. Luxardo, Marciano cherry, Amaro, Luxardo, Marciano cherry, and a little honey and a little lemon juice. So, you could use regular gin at home. If you have gin and Amaro, try it, mix it together. That's the fun part about making drinks. You never know what you're gonna get, and you get to play around with it if you're at home. And if you come to Aroma Time, I can play around with it and let you taste it. So if you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. If you're watching me live, put #live. Marcus usually comes on in the mornings. He does his Facebook Live. Hello, Mary, how are you? And I do my Facebook Lives in the afternoon. I will try really hard to be on tomorrow or Wednesday. I'm not sure about Thursday or Friday. We might be on location at a winery. So stay tuned for that. Maybe we'll do a Facebook Live at a winery this weekend. Hello, Paul. Thanks you for joining me. $9.99 tuna special. Buy one, get one free wings tonight. A hot or barbecue you can have. We have our regular menu available as well. We have inside dining as well. We only have 7 tables, so I highly recommend you make reservations every night. Saturday night, I actually had to turn people away. Sorry if you were one of them. I apologize. We were busy. We only have a certain number of tables. And last night we were busy too. We forgot it was a holiday today. So hopefully everybody's at home enjoying a drink, enjoying the weather. It was kind of nice out today. I did a workout at 5:30 this morning. I just started working out with a trainer, a Zoom call, and there's a group of us, and I did that. I do that 3 days a week now. I started that last week. So 5:30 is early, so I'm tired early, but I get my workout done early and I'm not stressing. So that is good. Hello, Robin. Hello, Ben. Thank you guys for joining me. I appreciate it. $9.99 special this week is our tuna, rare sesame crusted tuna, and our buy one, get one free wings tonight. Regular menu available. You can take out anything. We do have inside dining. Outside dining, you are more than welcome to sit outside in our tent. We'll turn the heat on for you, but we don't really do full service out there. We just can't do it. I don't know how to staff, and it's unfair for my staff to be outside in the cold, and staffing can be difficult. So watching labor is super important right now, especially for me. Hello, Lenore. Hello, JM Cohen. Hello, everybody. Thank you. And hopefully we'll see everybody soon. Get out there, enjoy the nice weather. I can't believe we're not really having snow. And I said that to someone the other day, and they said, "Don't say that out loud," but I did. So, and then we got some just a little bit of snow today, just some flurries. So I said that the other day. But looking good, keep it up. Yummy menu. Thank you, Danny. I appreciate that. Hello, Robin. Cheers. What are you drinking? Is there anything you want to see me make? Are there any drinks out there that you're like, wow, Jamie can make that, or any cool cocktails? I'm always looking for cool stuff to make. So thanks everybody for watching me. I appreciate it. Marcus and I appreciate all the wonderful support that we've been getting, and hope everybody is, Jamie, change your mind. Oh, sorry. I am not going to change my mind. Those of you that are watching, somebody said that my husband should run for mayor, and I don't think that's going to happen. I don't think so, but you're not the first person that has mentioned that to us. It's been over the many years. You know, Marcus likes to share his ideas and be part of the community and do everything he possibly can to help, as do I. But you know, right now, I don't know if we have time for him to be mayor, but we'll keep chugging along, doing all the great things that we do here at Aroma Thyme, bringing you great information and keeping you well fed. So join us, get takeout, get groceries. Our groceries are still available. Go online, aromatymebistro.com. There's a link on top called Aroma Thyme Direct. Click that. We got some awesome stuff. There's pictures there now, so you can see all of the fun things that we're doing. And hopefully we'll see everybody soon. Cheers.